like this place so much. Yes, this weather is amazing. This view, these mountains, I like so much. And very quiet place, you know. Compared with Dubai, very quiet place, very beautiful. And this view, when I look over there, it looks like Grand Canyon in America. Very beautiful place. Oh, I like it so much. Jebel Jais. And I want to show you today these mountains, Hajar mountain. Yeah, because how you know, in Emirates, everywhere different mountains. So I like this type. So we are going now to restaurants. Could you please explain me one more time? Where is that restaurant?
It's 1484 the Puro.
The Puro. Yeah, we are going to the Puro at the highest point in the UAE. Yes, so we are going there. So I will show you more beautiful view. I like it so much. On the way we found this place. Here it's so high place, and you can see how it's looking from here amazing. And I'm a little bit scared because it is really so high, and and I'm scared to look. But it's really very beautiful place. Yeah, so here is a cafeteria. Because between Dubai and this Puro restaurant is like around 2 hours. So here is cafeteria, and you can stop, you can do break, and just enjoy with this view, and you can take photos and videos. Yes, I'm doing coffee. What we will do now? Okay, so I think we will reach the Puro after 20 minutes. So from there it's more amazing and beautiful because we're going more up and up. It's really, I think you can see this place. Can you show please this restaurant? It's there on the top. So we are going there. There you can see. show you other view. Show please. so we came from there and we're going till up because restaurant more up. So between restaurant and this place like 15 minutes. Now we are going to other place. There is park and view. So we're going to the up, and here a lot of parking place. We get here place so easily, and the price only per person 5 dirham. It's, I mean the tickets for entry and for parking place 5 dirham. Imagine guys who from Dubai, they know 5 dirham. It's so cheap. So okay, let's go. I think here showing, let's go for, yeah, right side. Oh, a lot of steps, but I like it so much. Guys, now I am a little bit shocked because I understood we need to go there. If you see, there is already somebody walking. Yeah, that white color, yeah. There's already somebody, and we are going now there. Oh my god, this is crazy. But we will do. Whew. Yeah. Yeah, so here have this place for kids. Yeah, until parents will go to up for walk. Kids can play here. Yeah, let's go to see to other view. now on the other side. So here you can see sea and boats, but they're now so far you can see nicely, but it's really amazing view. And so from left side there only mountains, from right side here is the sea. So this combination when mountains and sea together, it's amazing combination. I love it so much because you can do camp here or near to sea. Like it's your choice. For example, you can come at weekends. Saturday you can spend on the mountains, and Sunday on the sea with this amazing view. So before I told you guys, look, there are people going up. So we decided we will not go because one, we don't have shoes. I mean, Koik needs sport shoes, and I'm wearing slippers, and it will so complex for the go up because there are a lot of stones. So we will not go today suddenly, but next time. Next time we will see. We will show you view from there. Okay, so now we will go to that restaurant finally. Just on the way, a lot of interesting places where you can stay, stop, and you can shoot a lot of videos and photos. So okay, we will reach the restaurant maybe after 15 minutes, right? Or
Yeah.
20. Yeah, after 15 minutes. And from this restaurant, it's more top and more beautiful view. So, okay, this mountain next time. Now restaurant. Okay, let's go. Yeah, so we put our car inside there, but if you will find here place, it's free today. It's free parking. I love this view so much. How big stones. Guys, we are so sad now because we reach now here border for go up to restaurant. Need to show here security your booking number, so you can't go up to restaurant without booking. Remember about it. So we call now and they told us today not possible. Imagine. So okay, we are going now back to Dubai. So we will try next time go up
Continue straight for 35 minutes to Sheikh Sakur bin
this
Khalid Road.
beautiful view.